Oh, hey, come on in. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to Katie's Cocktails. Today, we're gonna get up. Just kidding. But we are gonna be making an apple infused tequila cinnamon sour, the perfect drink to make for the holidays. So, first things first, I actually infused the tequila with apple, and my husband last night was like, ugh, apple tequila sounds gross. Sure, on its own, but in this cocktail, it's going to be amazing. Then, the only other part that's a little bit time consuming to make this, and you guys can make this the day before, is making the cinnamon simple syrup. So let's do it. This simple syrup is really simple, no pun intended. If you guys don't have simple syrup at home, just know you guys can always do it equal parts water to equal parts sugar. But this time I am doing 2 parts sugar, 2 parts water, and 1 part cinnamon. So once you guys have the water nice and hot on the stove, pouring in my cane sugar, and then a little bit of cinnamon. You only need it on the stove for about 2 minutes, continuously stirring. So basically you just wanna put it on the stove until all that sugar dissolves, which is pretty fast, and then it's ready to go. Now the fun begins. I have a little bit of ice in my shaker right here. I am gonna be pouring 2 shots of this apple infused tequila. I just literally used half an apple. 1 shot, 2 shots. Just adds that natural flavor without doing like huge apple chunks in a drink. Then we have a little bit of that cinnamon simple syrup. Then for tequila sour, you gotta add that lemon. Don't knock an egg white till you try it. Anytime I go to a restaurant, I'm not kidding you, my husband can attest this, he's like, okay, do y'all have a tequila drink with an egg white with foam on top and a coupe glass? And I'm like, yes, that is exactly what I want. I'm obsessed with the coupe glass, I'm obsessed with tequila drinks, and I'm obsessed with egg white froth on top. And if you guys are a little bit skeptical of it, you guys can actually take chickpea juice and shake it on up. It'll become foamy as well. Again, that kind of sounds gross, but it's a great vegan version. Do we have enough confidence that I'm just going to do it straight in without getting the yolk or any shells? Let's try it. Don't try that at home. I would do it separately, but nailed it. Now let's shake it on up. And I've had some pretty horrible shaking experiences where I've spilled the entire cocktail all over me about 5 minutes before my friends came over. So I'm just gonna hold this really tight and shake it not like a bartender. Now, let's make it fun and festive even more. So what I'm gonna do is just take a lemon wedge and just a little bit of the rim, a little bit of lemon wedge, and then I have a tiny bit of cinnamon and a little bit of sugar, equal parts, to have some cinnamon sugar around the rim. Perfect, just a little touch. You see how frothy that is though? Look at that egg white froth. Delicious. My mouth is watering. I'm already so thirsty, baby. I just do this, so I don't get the ice, I'll get the froth later. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more with cinnamon on top. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Katie's Cocktails. Apple cinnamon infused tequila coming right up. All right, you guys, cheers. Let's taste test. Just pretend that you're accepting this glass and drinking this tequila sour with me. Holy shit, that is so good. Oh my God. Wait, y'all are gonna freak out. That is delicious, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm going home with my husband for the holidays, and so this is gonna be a perfect drink to make for him and his family. Wow, happy holidays, you guys. Enjoy.